I have the pleasure here to be with Richard Elving. He's the director of Markforged. Richard, how are you?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
Excellent. Tell us a little bit about your fascinating technology, the printers that you have there, where you can print literally a drone.
The mechanical engineer's eternal problem has always been waiting for parts. And with our technology from Markforged, designers and engineers here in Western Australia can take a creation or a drone and just press print and same day hold the creation in their hand. It's just pretty fascinating technology.
That's incredible. And I mean, that means that they don't have to wait for it to come from Europe or America or wherever else it's got to be shipped from. You can print it here locally.
Correct. So we are seeing a reshoring of manufacturing again. People that went to China for creating certain parts, they're now bringing manufacturing back, and they can now, a low volume or mass production even use the technology to make these parts.
And what would you be seeing as the sort of the price for these parts? Is it similar to what you'd buy it for online and have it shipped over, or is it a lot more expensive?
It really depends on the application, but for complex parts, it can be much lower cost. For certain mass production, things are still cheaper to do maybe in China, but for like engineering and custom parts, which is where the demand or where manufacturing is in Australia today, it can definitely be a lower cost option.
So I guess from a time-sensitive perspective, you want something now, especially where it's used for mining or used for an operation where you can't have downtime. You need it now. You can just get it printed locally.
Yeah, imagine a mine site or an oil and gas platform where you need a spare part, something's broken down, and you've got a digital inventory, and you can just press print, hold the part in the same, in your hand the same day, and put it on the mine site to, save time and reduce costs. So.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.